I just made the best iced coffee of my life and I need you to see this. I've never had a machine like this before and this is my first time using it. I'm using the KitchenAid Espresso maker my husband got on sale for $100. Yes, $100. It's originally $500 and I think we basically won. I bowled a shot with Cafe Bustelo, the creamy espresso blend, and I already knew this was about to hit different. For syrup, I did white chocolate and vanilla together. I made one for my husband and one for me, and honestly, I'm not exaggerating when I say it tastes like heaven in a cup.